Now let's look at grammar. This lesson is about reported speech. First, direct speech. I'm tired, quote. Now reported speech. He said that he was tired. She asked if I was ready. Now a question. Are you ready? Quote. She asked if I was ready. We use said that to report statements. We use asked if to report questions. She said that Milo was nervous at first. Kiko asked if the teacher liked it. Great work. Now let's use reported speech.